Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 11T, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording. So first you should go to the notification bar and find there just the screen recorder icon. Tap here and go to the settings by tapping here on the sound settings icon. And just now scroll down with your finger and you will see here the show touch gestures switcher. Just tap on the switcher to turn it on, and if you want to turn off, just tap on the switcher again. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.